Exercise 7, first problem. In a class test containing 15 questions, 4 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. First, Bharti attempted all questions but only 9 answers are correct. What is her total score? Second, one of her friend Hema attempted only 5 questions and all are correct. What will be her total score? Solution. Mark given for every correct answer is equal to 4 marks. Mark given for every incorrect answer is equal to minus 2 marks. First, marks for 9 correct answers is equal to 9 into 4 is equal to 36 marks. Number of incorrect answers is equal to 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Mark for 6 incorrect answers is equal to 6 into minus 2 is equal to minus 12 marks. But the total score is equal to 36 plus minus 12 is equal to 36 minus 12 is equal to 24 marks. Second, mark for 5 correct answers. 5 into 4 is equal to 20 marks. Hema total score is equal to 20 marks. Second one, a cement company earns a profit of rupees 9 per bag of white cement sold and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. First, the company sells 7,000 bags white cement and 6,000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? Second one, what is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags sold is 5,400. Solution. Profit on per bag of white cement is equal to rupees 9. Loss incurred per bag of grey cement is equal to rupees 5. First, the company sells 7,000 bags of white cement. Selling price of 7,000 bags of white cement is equal to 7,000 into rupees 9 is equal to rupees 63,000. The company sells 6,000 bags of grey cement. Loss incurred on selling 6,000 bags of grey cement is equal to 6,000 into rupees 5 is equal to rupees 30,000. The company got profit. So profit is equal to rupees 63,000 minus rupees 30,000 is equal to rupees 33,000. Second, if the number of grey cement bags sold is 5,400, the selling price of 5,400 bags of grey cement bags is equal to rupees 5,400 into 5 is equal to rupees 27,000. Profit on per bag of white cement is rupees 9. So number of white cement bag must sell is equal to rupees 27,000 divided rupees 9 is equal to 27,000 by 9 is equal to 3,000 bag. 9 1 9 9 3,000 by 27,000. Next, third one. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero if it is decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until the midnight. At what time would the temperature be minus 8 degrees Celsius below zero? What would be the temperature at midnight? Solution. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero if it is decreased at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight. The temperature at 1 pm is equal to 10 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 8 degrees Celsius. The temperature at 2 pm is equal to 8 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 6 degrees Celsius. The temperature at 4 pm 4 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 2 degrees Celsius. The temperature at 5 pm 2 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 0 degrees Celsius. The temperature at 6 pm 0 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius. The temperature at 7 pm minus 2 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 4 degrees Celsius. The temperature at 8 pm minus 4 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 6 degrees Celsius. The temperature at 9 pm minus 8 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius. The temperature at 10 pm minus 8 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 10 degrees Celsius. The temperature at 11 pm minus 10 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 12 degrees Celsius. The temperature at 12 midnight minus 12 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 14 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero at 9 pm. The temperature at midnight is minus 14 degrees Celsius. Now fourth problem. In a class test plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no mark for not attempting any question. First, Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrect? Second, Mohini scored minus 5 marks in his test though she has got 7 correct answers. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Solution. Marks given for every correct answer is equal to plus 3 marks. Marks given for every incorrect answer is equal to minus 2 marks. No marks for not attempting any question. First, Radhika scored 20 marks, so she got 12 correct answers. Mark for 12 correct answers is equal to 12 into 3 is equal to 36 marks. Mark for incorrect answers is equal to 20 minus 36 is equal to minus 16. So number of incorrect answers is equal to minus 16 by minus 2. Minus minus get cancelled. 2 1 the 2 8 is equal to 8. The number of incorrect answers she has attempted is 8. Second, Mohini scored minus 5 marks. She has got 7 correct answers. The mark for 7 correct answers is equal to 7 into 3 is equal to 21 marks. Mark for incorrect answer is equal to minus 5 minus 21 is equal to minus 26. So number of incorrect answers is equal to minus 26 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 1 the 2 13 is equal to 13. So number of incorrect answers she has attempted is 13. Fifth problem. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long it takes to reach minus 350 meter? Solution. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, it takes to reach minus 350 meter. The total distance to descend into a mine is equal to 10 minus of minus 350 is equal to 10 plus 350 is equal to 360 meter. If it is mine stop at the rate of 6 meter per minute, therefore the time taken to reach minus 350 meter is equal to 360 by 6. 6 1 the 6, 60 is the 360 is equal to 60 minutes or 1 hour.